Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Grove Collaborative. This is a subscription service where you can get training pants, cleaning products, medicine, all sorts of household stuff, and you could have it set to auto ship like monthly or a certain amount of weeks. I typically keep extending mine or pausing it several times throughout the year, and then maybe 2 or 3 times I'll let an order come through and you get to pick whatever you want to put in there. So I'll show you what I got. I have a promo code below. I think you get like a 5-piece cleaning set if you join. So yeah, I will make sure I put that below. So typically whenever I pick stuff and I have it shipped now, I get a free gift. I didn't do that this time. I just let this come as a subscription. So these are all items that I hand-picked. So if you watch any of my previous videos, I get this like every time. This is probably my 3rd or 4th time getting it. It is Aunt Fanny's cleaning vinegar, and the scent is bright lemon. I really like vinegar. It's natural and safe and okay for kids, non-toxic, all that fun stuff. And you do get used to the smell of the vinegar. But yeah, this one has a little bit of lemon with it. So love that stuff. Then I got a bunch of stain remover. So this one is by Method, and it has a little scrub brush kind of built in, so you can squeeze it and then use it to brush and then let the stain kind of soak, and then you can wash it. I think you could use this on like laundry and carpet and anything like that. Let me see. Safe unwashable fabrics, so yeah, that can be used for the kids. They really, especially Raylan, stain up a lot of their clothes. And then this was their name brand, the Grove Collaborative Stain Remover, free and clear. I got 2 of those just to try it out, how it compares to the other name brands. And on the back it says it combats stains from spaghetti sauce to grass and everything in between. Again, you just spray that on there, let it soak, and then you could go ahead and wash your fabric. So excited to give that a try. And then a friend recently had one of those Norwix parties where they're famous for kind of like their microfiber cloths. These are a lot cheaper, essentially kind of the same thing. So I did get a pack of these. I think it was $9.95, and they're just microfiber cloths. I like to clean with these for like dusting and stuff. So yeah, I got a pack of those. And then I also got some 7th generation free and clear training pants. So you can't buy diapers, wipes, stuff like that, baby stuff on there. So yeah, no lotions or fragrances, gentle for skin. So I'm going to try those. And the last thing in here, the thing I always order every time, is the free and clear laundry detergent, because I do a lot of laundry and my kids have sensitive skin, so I always use like free and clear stuff like that. So yeah, that's what I got. If you guys want to sign up, I will make sure I put that promo code below so you get that free gift. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.